Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you 4 products that are sure to improve your workflow, whether you're a small content creator or a professional one. Also, everything is linked to the description down below if you want to check them out. First, I will unpack the products, go over some specs, and after I will show you every product and application. So let's go ahead with an unboxing. Our first product is from a company called Smallrig. Let's go ahead and open the box and have a look inside. Right away I can tell you it's a very premium product. This one, it's a magic arm with a super clamp. The magic arm is very light, it weighs only 333 grams and has a maximum weight recommendation up to 1.5 kilos. But if you combine it with the super clamp, the weight limit increases up to 2.5 kilograms. The magic arm has at both ends 2 ball heads, 360 degrees, with 3/8 connections, and the super clamp has also 2 connections. One is a 1/4-20 and the second one it's with 3/8. Both items are made from aluminum alloy. Only the magic arms, it's exactly 10 inches long, but together with the super clamp, it's exactly 28.5 centimeters or 11.22 inches. Our second product, it's a phone holder for ARNARKOK. Inside the box we have some instructions. We have an Allen key, and of course the phone holder. Almost immediately I can tell you it's also a premium product. It's made also from aluminum alloy. We have some kind of rubber protection inside for our device. But more of this product later in the video. Let's put it aside for a moment and check the next one. So the next one is also from the Smallrig. This one, it's a quick release plate drop-in HuffBlock. Let's go ahead and open the box and have a look inside. We have an Allen key also. Right away you can see it's very small. It's made also from aluminum, it's very premium, and it weighs only 37 grams. But the load capacity on this one, it's up to 5 kilos. We have a spring release with a handle. All you have to do is push it and releases right away. Also, this has a locking structure, a double locking structure on the base plate. The QR plate has a 1/4-20 thread hole, and you can attach it to any tripods, ball heads, monopods, you name it. Of course, I will show you later. I mounted my camera and I will show you how it looks. So our last item is the desk stand from VIJIM LS 11. Let's go ahead and open the box and have a look inside. We have some kind of instructions with our Allen key. Inside we have 4 items. We have the C-clamp, our telescopic arm, and 2 magic arms. So let's go ahead and have a look to our C-clamp or a base clamp. It's made from aluminum alloy. We have some kind of silicone rubber that's going to protect your desk, not going to damage it when you mount it. And of course I have to mention that if you don't have the possibility to mount on your desk, you can order it with a heavy base. So let's go ahead and have a look to our table tripod. We have a 360-degree ball head. Also, the table tripod has three extension rods. Fully extended, it's up to 86 centimeters or 33.8 inches. Let's go ahead and attach the C-clamp. And of course I have to mention this also, together with the C-clamp, the table tripod, it's exactly 41 centimeters or 60.1 inches. Our next item, it's a magic arm. This one, it's exactly 33.5 centimeters or 13 inches. We also have a 360-degree ball head. Our release handle, as you see, we have a spring inside, you can reset the position. That's also very convenient. Also, the both magic arms has the maximum weight recommendation up to 2.2 lbs or 1 kilogram. So let's have a look to our last magic arm. This one is a little bit smaller. This one has a C-clamp, it's a detachable C-clamp, also a 360-degree ball head. It's exactly 25.5 centimeters or 10 inches, and also maximum weight it's 1 kilo. As you see, the C-clamp has also some kind of a rubber for protection. So now let's go ahead and have a look to our HuffBlock quick release plate. Let's go ahead and I will mount it on my camera and I will show you how it looks. As you see, it's very easy. After you screw the plate on your camera, you take your HawkLock and just have to push it inside and you're ready to go. Of course, the curve plate, as I told before, has a 1/4 threaded hole and you can mount it on your tripod. And here it is. I mounted it on my tripod. All you have to do, just release it, take your camera, and you don't have to worry about the position. If you find the position, for example, you want to shoot some photos and you need your camera for something, you want to change the battery, all you have to do, just release, take your camera, and that's it. And you see it's very steady. I don't recommend to do that because you can damage your camera. I just wanted to show you for purpose demonstration how steady this HawkLock is. So now let's go ahead and have a look to our phone holder. This one is very premium also, it's made from aluminum. We have a lock knob. All you have to do, just you have to pull it in and it's locked, push it out and it's unlocked. Of course, you can position your arm, you can rotate it 360 degrees. You choose your landscape mode or portrait mode. All you have to do, just if you want to lock it, you have to pull it in. As you see, it's very steady, and just push it outside and it's unlocked. Of course, you can tilt the base. If you see, you can tilt it back and forward. We have a cold shoe for your light or for your microphone. Some kind of a rubber inside for protecting your device. You take your device, put it inside. All you have to do is rotate your steering and your device is completely locked. It's not going to fall. Then position your arm, landscape mode, portrait mode, pull the knob and it's locked. Also, if you want to use it as a table stand, you can do this also. So now let's have a look to our table tripod. Here it is. I mount it on my table. As you see, the base, it's not completely fully extended. On the small magic arm with the C-clamp, I put my front-facing camera. This is a Canon M50, but of course you can use up to 1 kilo or a little bit heavier is not a problem. As you see with the other magic arm, I have the Sony a7 III. If you need to review some kind of a product, I attach also the Smallrig, the magic arm with the super clamp. Just to give you an idea, you can use it. You can, if you need a third camera, you need a microphone, you need a light, you can attach it on your table tripod. I find it very, very convenient. Here's another idea. If you need a closer headshot for your product, you can use the Smallrig magic arm with the super clamp. Of course, you can put your phone holder and use a phone instead of a camera. Here I mounted the magic arm with a super clamp on my table. Just for example, if you need a side view shot, just mount it and you put your phone, of course your camera, or of course you can have a heavy camera. Here I have the Canon M50 together with the HuffBlock. One thing that I'm not a big fan, if you use the both magic arms extended with a heavy camera, I'm not going to recommend it because it's going to wobble a lot. I will show in the next shot. I put my Canon M50, but this one is it's not a heavy camera. It's a light camera with a kit lens. So there you have it, guys. This was my review. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye.